Alrighty, we are now going to get a specimen. I believe it's for a potential UTI. I've got my gloves on, washed my hands before. I'm going to kink the catheter tubing before we get started. And then I'm going to take an alcohol swab that I have with me. We're going to swab off the top of the port. I will throw this away. Once it's time, once it's dry, I'll stick my syringe in the port, make sure it's secure, and then I will pull up how much I need with this 10 ml syringe. I should have had this cup open. I am going to take this off and put it directly into the specimen cup, and then I will throw this away. I will wipe the port off, make sure that this specimen cup is closed. You'll want to make sure that you have the patient's name, the patient's date of birth, what the collection is, what the time that it was taken, the date that it was taken, and my initials as the collector. We need to make sure that this is taken to the lab within 5 to 15 minutes, I believe. There's a chance it's 10 minutes, but if it's any longer than that, you need to make sure that it is put on ice. If there's any chance that it's going to be longer. Before I leave the patient's bedside and before I take my gloves off, I'm going to unkink the catheter tube so things don't get backed up. And that's how you do a specimen collection. And take my gloves off and wash my hands.